Friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to customize your keys for your physical keyboard being used on your Android or Samsung phone. So go to your settings, click general management guys, scroll down to physical keyboard, and here in the list you will find customize keys. So if you tap on that, you have the option to customize keys. So as you can see there, you can customize caps lock, control, CMD, alt, and escape. However, I wouldn't recommend customizing these keys because they actually make sense, and if you tap on each of them you will see the other options and you will realize that it's better to keep them as is. However, as it relates to the apps, for the apps shortcut, if you tap on that you will see that you have a bunch of different apps and those shortcuts, and you can easily change these for whatever you want. So for example, you can see here that you have the option, for example, you have CMD plus B, it says not set. You can simply tap on that and it will take you into other apps that you can choose from all the apps on your phone, and you can set it for what you want it to be. So it's very easy. If you don't want to use a particular shortcut as well, you can tap on them and you can choose, for example, none. If you tap on none, you will see that it comes back there as not set, right? So you can always go ahead and go through the list and modify those app shortcuts as you wish. And that's it guys, very easy. Once you're finished you can go ahead and leave it as is. If at some point you want to go back and change back those keys, you can easily tap on reset and it will reset all of those keys for you back to its default. Very easy and very simple.